All right, Bruchim Aboyim, welcome everyone. I wanted to share a little story that happened to me just a few hours ago. I work, for those who don't know me, I work in prison ministry. Even though I'm a Hasidic rabbi, my work is that I supervise an entire team of chaplains from various different religions. And not only that, but ensure that the religious needs of people of different religions are met. So today happens to be, in our calendar, Rosh Chodesh Adar, the first day of the month of Adar, which is a time of joy. But in the calendars of our neighbors, other important seasons are beginning on this day. So for Christians in the Western tradition, today was Ash Wednesday. And for our Muslim neighbors, it's the first day of Ramadan. So just very interesting. So part of my work includes visiting when the inmates are in the hospital. And I asked my supervisor, I said, if there's a chaplain who is available from the hospital to administer ashes to any of the Catholic inmates who are in the hospital, would that be permitted? And he said, yes, that's fine. So I visited. We had an unusual amount of inmates in the hospital, and the last inmate that I planned to visit was one who I know is Catholic, a fellow Hungarian, and he actually was born in Hungary, an older fellow, and I know he likes to talk, so I saved him for last. And I know he's Roman Catholic. So I knew that it would be very meaningful to him to be able to have the sacramental of ashes provided to him. But I wasn't sure if it would be possible or not. So I get off the elevator, he was on the 4th floor, I go over there, and I see a woman. I assume that she's a Eucharistic minister, and she was a chaplain from the hospital, and she was administering ashes to the nurses there. And when she was done, I waited patiently, and I said, oh, by any chance are you also administering to the patients? I know a patient who was a devout Catholic, and he certainly would like to have ashes, and she did so, and it was just a very wonderful, special thing that she was able to provide this sacramental to this man who I know it was very meaningful to him as well. And it just, to me, when I spent some time talking to him, praying with him after he received the ashes, she had already left, and then I saw she was in another hospital room. I waited till she left, and I told her, this really made my day, that I could see, and I told him as well, the divine providence, that here I anticipated this, I asked about this to my supervisor at work, and here I was in the right place at the right time to make sure that this man would have something that was important to him. And it made my day to see the divine providence at work, God's hand, in this interfaith beautiful way. I know maybe some of the more frummer viewers might be perturbed by me saying this, but I certainly believe that this was a sign of divine providence, which the whole world, of course, is. And it increased my joy in this time of, as we say, Mishenichnas Adar Marben Besimcha, that we should increase our joy. So, and I hope it brought a little joy to you as well for watching. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment. And we'll see you later. Well, I gotta go. It's time to supervise the Ramadan prayers.
We hope you enjoyed this content. This channel has over 5,000 videos, including Torah commentary, podcasts, footage of Jewish and historical events, and much more. We are sure you will find more videos you will enjoy. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the bell button, and comment. Rabbi Kulikowski often makes videos based on questions in the comment section, so you might have a video made just for you. By helping this channel grow, you are helping to spread Torah. God bless.